Hi, I'm Veronica Ruiz from Pilatesology, and let's talk in that video about the mountain climb. I like to use the high chair and especially the bar on top to build the position and get more support from the center and develop the movement of the spine when you are pumping into the mountain climb.
And you can pump here, finding the opposition between the pedal and your head. It's a good stretchy neck, stretchy in the upper back, and you are holding by yourself using your center. Reach the arms, come back, extend the leg, and roll down.